All right, guys, today we've got Beard Octane and we've got new scents to go over. We've got seasonal scents to go over, and we've got old scents and new products that haven't been available before. And we've got a huge sale going on that I want to tell you all about. But first, welcome, guys. My name's Brian. This is my Beards and Banjos YouTube channel where we try to help you grow your best beard possible. Thank you for joining me. And if I'm releasing this one, I think I'm supposed to. Happy Thanksgiving. I do hope you all are doing well. All right, so Beard Octane was part of our big live stream for Black Friday sales extravaganza on Tuesday with 17 big companies. Joe sent me out this box of stuff to share with you guys. So I wanted to go over a separate video because this deal is going on, special deal, until Sunday at 7 p.m. Eastern. So you got a few more days to take advantage and to check out all of this stuff. But once again, we've got Fir Tree, which is a seasonal release. I think this one was released last year. I'm not sure about the years prior to that. I've never tried it before. And then we've got a brand new scent called Sacrifice, came out for Veterans Day. And I will tell you that this is my new favorite Beard Octane scent. And I want to tell you all about it in just a second. And then also you've got some new scents to the LCW. Well, this was the LCW. So the LCW is now available in the Nitro scent, which is blueberry, vanilla, and coffee beans. And then also is available in the Envy scent. All right, which is kind of a nice light cologne. It's citrus, bergamot, vanilla, and sandalwood, but I get a nice light cologne, little sweetness to it. One of my favorites is Envy. Kind of works for any day, any occasion. But when you wear this stuff and use this stuff in the shower, it's not going to linger, so you don't have to worry about that. I haven't tried out the face and body wash yet. Haven't had a chance to, but I will. So if it's something outstanding one way or the other, I will make sure to mention that on my next Beard Octane video for sure. But I'm a bar soap guy. Let me know in the comments. Are you a bar soap guy, or are you the body wash kind of person? Just always been a soap guy. I'm old school, I guess. Anyway, next up, I wanted to, oh, by the way, those products are also available in Ginger Jamboree, which I think is a DNC collaboration, because it's definitely a DNC profile. So it's ginger, lemon, and lime. So you can check that out. And that sounds pretty good for the shower, actually. So now we've got the Fir Tree, which is the seasonal scent. And that one is Christmas tree. All right, and that's what you get is Christmas tree. For me, this one's not my favorite. I tend to like the evergreens that are more like the essential oils, kind of the more natural stuff. This to me is a little bit too fragrance oil inspired. To me, it's like if you go to Bath and Body Works and you get a soap, foaming hand soap, and it's in a Christmas tree seasonal scent. That's kind of what it reminds me of. I'm wearing it right now. It works just fine, but it's just not my preferred profile when it comes to Christmas tree type of scents. And when you put it in, you kind of get the fragrancy vibe, and then it smooths out, and it's very pleasurable to wear after that. But that one's called Fir Tree. And then, as I said earlier, this is my new favorite Beard Octane scent. It's called Sacrifice. It came out on Veterans Day. I think it's a collab. You want to make sure you go to Beard Octane's website and check that out. This is from a veteran, the motivational speaker, power lifter, big, nice write-up on Beard Octane's website. I can't do it justice, so make sure you check that out. But when I first smelled this, I got like cherry tobacco. And I read the scent profile, and there's no cherry or no tobacco in it. It's like, what is wrong with me? But anyway, the scent profile, regardless, I love it anyway. But the scent profile is bergamot, mint, amber, rose, sandalwood, and honor for Veterans Day. Even after I read that, and sometimes I'll have an idea of what something is supposed to be, and then I read the scent profile and like, oh yeah, I get all of that stuff now. And you're like, your brain and your nose kind of gets rewired once you know what's in there. Your brain kind of makes sense of, oh, that's what I was smelling. I was just kind of misidentifying it. I get a little bit of the mint and the amber and the bergamot. It's not a minty scent. It's smooth and a little sweet. That's why the amber. I'm not a fan usually of things that have rose or even sandalwood in it. Depends on the type of sandalwood. But once again, I smell it. I still get like a cherry tobacco. I don't care what's in it. I really love it. I really think you guys should check this one out. The top scent of the year is candidate. I think it'll make that video. I got to make some videos the next month. So I got to definitely do a top scents video, and I've got my work cut out for me for that one. If you haven't checked out, I just did my top washes video, and go back and check that out. And actually the LCW came in at number 5 and number 2 with the Beard Octane's CBD. I wanted to tell you about this sale going on. First of all, the CBD website is 30% off. That's big. But that's not all. My affiliate code, which is Banjo10, stacks with that. So you get 30% off, and then you put in that Banjo10, you get another 10% off. So almost 40% off. And if you've never tried the Beard Octane CBD, I did a video on it. I compared the regular line to the CBD line. Go back and check that out. But I'll summarize here. This is one of the best things I've ever put in my beard. I can tell about a 15% difference just if you press me on it, that I like it that much better than the normal regular blend. All right, so you get this down to $20.99. And then you use that 10% off with my Banjo10 to get you down to $18.89. So you can get it for under $20 a bottle if you've been holding off because of the price. You just couldn't justify it. You couldn't swing it, whatever the case. Now's the time if you're ever going to try it. The butter, if you have not tried Beard Octane's butter in a while, it is now a nice poured butter with a little bit of oomph to it. It is a great match with the oil. So the oils are on the thinner side, and so they absorb pretty quickly. And then you can put in some of that butter that's got a little bit of weight to it, and it works really good to give you that nice long-lasting feel in beard. All right, but you can now get a 4-ounce butter of the CBD line for $25.19. And then your wash, your LCW wash and conditioner. Like I said, this was number 2 on my wash list. You can now get that for $22.04 after the discount. All right, and then I want to go over with you the regular websites lineup for the Black Friday sale, which goes on until Sunday at 7 p.m. Eastern. All right, so you got a couple days to check into that. And it's got some tier things here where if you spend so much money, you can get some free items. We'll talk about that in just a second. But what you need to know is everything's already marked down. Everything's discounted. And once you go to put your order in, you put in the code Banjo10, and that'll give you the best price you're going to get. The oils are 25% off. The supplements, the vitamins and beard gummies and all that stuff are 20% off. Beard cleanse stuff, which is your LCW, is 20% off. Your beard balm's 25% off. Your beard butter is 20% off. Your hair products are 20% off. Your beard tools are 15% off. And your body bars is 15% off. So that's pretty good, but that's not all. So if you put in a larger order, and by the way, that gets these oils that we just went over, would be $14.99. And then you get 10% more off. It's $13.49. Pick up the sacrifice. Thank me later. All right. And then if you spend $75, 2 things are going to happen. One is you get free shipping, which is going to save you a pretty good chunk of change, and you get a free beard oil thrown in. I do think that's dealer's choice. They're just going to throw in a random beard oil. I don't think you get to choose on that because they have so many orders they're processing through this time of the year. And then $150 besides the free beard oil, you get a free beard butter. And that's a 4-ounce thing. All right. And then $200 gets a free beard wash if you are going all in, all Beard Octane all the time, or you're just really stocking up for the year. But I wanted to go over that with you and then share, especially this one, this new scent, and then tell you about all of the products and the scents available in the LCW and the face and body wash. Whew, I'm out of breath. Let me know in the comments, what are some of your favorite Beard Octane scents? I have not tried that many of them yet. And I do say yet because I plan on trying some more. But I definitely like Envy and Fabricator, and their Barbershop is nice. And now I've tried Fir Tree and Envy and Sacrifice. All right. And this one's my go-to right now. So you'll be seeing that one a little bit later in December. But anyway, I hope you guys have a wonderful Thanksgiving. And as always, I appreciate you watching. Have a good day.